There you go.
National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Weber County in northern Utah, southeastern Box Elder County in northern Utah, Salt Lake County in northern Utah, Davis County in northern Utah, southwestern Morgan County in northern Utah, southwestern Summit County in northern Utah until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 miles north of Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway to Camp Williams, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, weather starters. Does it make the world to damage to roofs? Severe thunder in Williams, moving Salt Lake south of Maine, visibility to a mile or less. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Sandy, Baldwin, Layton, Murray, Bountiful, Farmington, Brigham City, Park City.
Yep.
Or less. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Ogden, Layton, Bountiful, Brigham City, Park City, Hill Air Force Base, West Jordan, Taylorsville, South Draper, Riverton, Roy, Cottonwood Heights, and Clearfield. This includes the following between the 3-mile markers 287 and 300 for between mile for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis, Salt Lake, and Weber. On the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, your thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Box Elder and Weber. Eastern Box Elder County in northern Utah, southwestern Morgan County in northern Utah, southwestern Summit County in northern Utah until 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 miles north of Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway to near Camp Williams, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Blowing gusts may reduce visibility